Finally, if you can share with us a few simple processes for our senior citizen viewers that they should follow, they should stick to in order to have a good, money management done for them. So,
So when you're a senior citizen, I'm assuming you're 60 when you're starting, you are very confident that you can do things yourself. So it is important at this stage to have a portfolio as simple as the other person can handle. Like if I am very confident that I can handle a portfolio with PMS, with AIF, with real estate fund, with art fund, actual real estate and mutual funds and direct equity, I may be great. But it does not mean my wife can handle all this. So my portfolio should be so simple that if I drop dead, my wife should be able to take it and run it. Step one. Step two, make sure that, all your monthly payments, etc., for your for your telephone and electricity, etc., you must be making it from one account. Every month the other person should make. So in January if I make, in February my wife should make. She should know the password, she should know the process, etc. It's easy to say everything is automated, but if she does not know the password, she will not be able to even access it. So she should do it regularly. So similarly for investing, if you are doing investing of a lump sum or of a SIP, both husband and wife both should know what is the procedure for doing it, OTP kahan aayega, all those things. Knowing the procedure is very important. By the time you're 75 or 72, 75, get somebody younger involved. Not because if one of you is bedridden and the other person has broken her hand or leg or things like that, both of you may not be capable of doing it. That's the time when you need help, and that could be your neighbor, could be your children, could be your nephew, could be your niece, could be anybody if you don't have children. So that one thing. Start preparing for living alone. And if you can't live alone in the place where you're currently living, you will need to go to a senior citizen home. You go to a senior citizen home from your age of say 70 to 80, and you go to geriatric care from 80 to end of life, because there your requirements are going to be much more. Very difficult for a 78-year-old woman to look after an 87-year-old husband who is better. She can't do it. It's impossible for her. So make those moves, plan those moves. If your kids are not staying anywhere near you, find somebody else who will do it for you. Right? Do all this. If your kids are staying near you, still move into a senior citizen home and get your children to be there to morally support you. Because it's going to be very difficult for them to look after you because they are busy with their day-to-day lives. So look at all this, plan all this, move accordingly. And why am I saying 70 to move into a senior citizen home? Because you have to still make friends. It gets more and more difficult if you're older. It's easier for a 70-year-old to make friends than for an 80-year-old. So understand all this. Create your friend circle. I mean, where is your school circle? Where is your college circle? Where are your cousins, your siblings, and all that? WhatsApp is available. So I'm part of a running group, cycling group, banking group, wealth management, friends group, travel group, right? So be involved with people, because there'll be some group in which there are people much younger than you and some people who are much older than you, many people your age. You need all these people across, age groups and interest groups. So start doing all that together. Suman, I think you've given me idea for a book. So
that would be lovely. That's a compliment that I should take.
lots of things to talk about, lots of things to do. And so I'm saying not just getting a financial advisor, you also need to create your own social activity, go out, meet people. Just two of you could be boring. You can't just be doing Netflix and Prime throughout the day. It's too damn boring and sickening movies you will end up watching. So go meet friends, go for a walk, go to the temple, whatever you like. I mean, I go to the forest, and you want to go to the temple, go to the temple, whatever you like, but keep yourself active. Do your own thing, go buy vegetables, which means you're giving a 100 rupee note, getting 40 rupees back, which means your math is working. Because if everything is outsourced and nothing you do, your brain will go to sleep. So don't do that also, but don't overstrain. Don't walk out at 42 degrees, carry an umbrella, don't have a heat stroke, drink water, eat food normally, do all those things. Take care of your health, take care of your wealth, take care of your social being, help others, right? I mean, I know a 74-year-old lady who teaches English to children. She's been an English school teacher. So she uses her iPad, and there she is teaching to some children. She's teaching English. She's just enjoying it. find something which you enjoy, find something which you make money, find something, all those things. Lot of activities to be done in the place where you live, in the apartments nearby, or even the building where you live, right? So you could be teaching something to your servants' children. There's a lot of opportunity to give. You're not going to make money, but you're going to keep your mind and brain active. That's also important. So do all this.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.